How to log in to my CRA account online. So if you want to log into my CRA account online, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your search and you need to search for canada.ca. Once you've searched, you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply choose your language. So I'll be choosing English. Once you've chosen, you will get to this kind of page where you can go with sign in, which is on the upper right. And after that, you need to go with CRA My Account. Once you click on it, you need to scroll down where you can find sign into my account option and go with CRA user ID and password. And after that, it will take you to this kind of page. So it might take some time to load this page. And after that, you need to enter your user ID, which is required. But if you don't remember your user ID, you can go with forgot your user ID. And you need to enter your password, which is the required field. So enter your user ID and password. And if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot your password. And for more information on how your privacy is protected, you can refer to the personal information collection statement. Once you enter your information, go with sign in and you'll be able to sign into your CRA account online. But if you don't have an account, you can go with register if you're a new user. But if you already have an account, go with user ID and password and sign in. So that's how you can sign in or log into your CRA account online. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.